Hi everyone, this time we are taking you to Rajasthan. So we are in Ram Pratap Palace for the lunch. So it's my birthday celebration.
Yeah, we are starting your birthday celebration. A very nice lunch.
Yes. So friends, let me tell you about this trip. I am from Jaipur and I love Rajasthan, but I have never been to Jodhpur. I have heard it's a very royal place and my stay, as you can see, is extremely royal too. It was a beautiful rainy morning. This hotel has been taken up by Club Mahindra and we got our room on the rooftop. So my first day was enjoying this rainy weather and there was a royal ceremony in the evening. The night was going to be extremely important as it's going to rain and there will be live music and dance performances. As you can see, I love dancing and this was also my birthday weekend. The next morning was all about touristy places. We visit the famous Umaid Bhawan Palace. We heard so many stories about royals there and how lavish is their lifestyle. Now was the time to see the other part of hotel, which is open for various guests, and you can see how amazing is the way they are welcoming their visitors. I'm going to stay here one day for sure. What do you think, guys? Mehrangarh Fort. Everyone has heard about this Jodhpur fort. Now was the time to see how majestic it was. This fort has elevator facilities, so in no time you can reach the top. It was very helpful for my mom and dad.
बीच में तो बहुत कम हो गई थी, फिर अभी नारायणगढ़ म्यूजियम में और आसपास सरकार ने भी काफ़ी लोगों को आइडिया दिया कि आप अपना शहर उस हिसाब से बहुत कम हुए वो फोटो। तो आज की तारीख में 6 नामों से जाना जाता है। आप किसी से पूछोगे तो 6 नाम में से कोई नाम बताओगे तो जोधपुर के आसपास के लोग समझ जाएंगे कि हाँ ये आदमी किस शहर के बारे में पूछ रहा है। अच्छा, चौदाना इसका नाम है, सन सिटी इसका नाम है, ब्लू सिटी इसका नाम है, मारवाड़ इसका नाम है, जोधपुर इसका नाम है और मंडोर इसका नाम है। अच्छा, मंडोर
Oh wow! Amazing! Amazing! That's Umeed Palace where we were, and look at my excitement as I see this blue city. I only saw it in pictures and Instagram so far. This was reminding me of my Jaisalmer visit, how beautifully they create these architecture.
लाया जाता था इस तरह की उनके पास हथियार थे।
Maharana
कैसे
Pratap
बख्तर
stories
थे।
always entice me. We visit this famous Mata temple inside the fort, and there was a Durga temple outside also. Being brought up in Jaipur, I have seen many forts, but this fort was majestic. There were a lot of live music performances, and I can sit here all day and listen to them. ये दुर्गा टेम्पल काफ़ी फेमस है। मैं सोच रही थी कि पुराने टाइम पर किस तरह राजा महाराजा यहाँ प्रेयर करते होंगे और क्या फील होती होगी। So it was time to say goodbye to this fort. मन तो नहीं कर रहा था, but the show must go on.
Head northwest towards Nagori.
Now was the time to visit market of Jodhpur in this rainy weather, and we reached this beautiful Pal Haveli for my birthday celebrations.
Neha's birthday party, birthday week. Happy birthday.
So friends, this was my birthday, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Travel Quads.
Yeah, amazing. इसी में एक तांगा भी आ रहा है, इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया। Jodhpur Old City inside the fort area.